Hi, welcome. This is a old SSD. It's been updated, I guess, till November 2019, November 3. That's the number up here. So it's just a number, but it gives us a time reference, right? 2019, 11.3 is probably the last time I've booted this up. Now, if you're new to ArcoLinux, then you don't know anything about the Plasma Challenge. The Plasma Challenge was initiated, type in the command last in your terminal, was initiated on the 7th of November, and then we have to go back because unfortunately the year is not there, so we need to go all the way back. So April the 14th, December, so this is 2020, this is 2019, so I have here an SSD that's from 2018, November the 20th. So it's one of these things that I try to show by video, convince people ArcoLinux is stable, right? ArcoLinux just gets updated and so on. It's a rolling release. This one is from November the 7th in the afternoon, rather the evening. When it was first booted, first installed, it was kernel 4.18.16. You remember it, right? It's a long time ago. So let's check again if I'm not wrong. That's November, that's January, a whole year goes by, and then here December, April, right? So 2020, 2019, 2018. So it's already more or less 2 years old, almost. Well, anyway, it's old. Okay, now updating is of course one of the crucial things of any operating system, and this is how I boot it up, right? So Super C, up, it's gone again. That was a keyboard shortcut we had back in the days. This ugly thing, it wants to download me something, and I don't want this, so I'll figure it out. So Discord is, it used to be there, but it's now sudo pacman -s Discord. It just installs. We don't see that anymore. Not for a while anyway. So we are on a system that hasn't been updated for quite a while. Now I didn't check really how long ago was the last update. Let's go back and put you here. It seems I was into wobbly it back then as well. So 4 months, okay? So we're jumping from December the 3rd to April the 14th. Actually, we are, oh yeah, sorry, we are the 14th. I thought we were already the 16th. So, you know. All right, updating the system, making it nice. This is not our look anymore. Our look these days is show alternatives, application, switch, wait for it, yep. Yeah. That's not our look either. But let's get the updates out of the way. Maybe we need to reboot. So then we make a video 1/2, 2/2, right? So update. That's what we do. This is going to update ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux. We get this message. This is just a replace. Do you want to replace this with that? There is no other solution than an enter and an enter. So yes. Python QT5 common are in conflict. Remove one of them. Not sure. I'm gonna say no then, but then nothing happens. That's simple. If nothing happens, then it's simple. Yes, remove. And installing Xorg Proto. So we got all these problems with 1041 available updates. All these issues we had from ArcoLinux are coming our way, of course, right? So I guess we better, I'm gonna close the other tabs and go ArcoLinux. Because we are ArcoLinux, but we are on based on ArcoLinux. So this is your news as well. And here we have the Xorg cleanup requires manual intervention. You see, here we have the information what we should do for the Xorg Proto. Now we have also our updates. So some of these things are actually fixed by following our updates. Now What shall I do first? We should be able to update, right? So we need to get past this guy. So what if I do the following thing? Sudo pacman -s. I have updated my system in the sense that it knows these are databases. It knows what's inside our repo today because I typed update. And I say, I just want to have this one because this one keeps me rolling. ArcoLinux bin git keeps me rolling. It's gonna be in etc scal bin. Let's see if we had scal back then. Yeah, it's doing its work. It's copy pasting everything from etc scal, not just bin, but everything to our system. Okay, that's what I need. I have to go to the bin, and there's lots of fun stuff here. But the stay rolling is what is interesting for me. Now, in the meantime, I've cleaned up because all these years, so these guys can all go away because I've put everything in years. 2018, 2019, 2020. And this is us moving through time. And it seems that I'm on one that's created in November. So maybe it's best I go 2019 and be sure that I go from here till here till here, right? I'm gonna jump these things. This is not the same either. In the meantime, we've changed these things as well. Configure toolbars. I'll just jump from things I see, right? Control. We can't go any lower. That's moving it over there. Okay, let's wait for it. This should be here. That's what I am thinking. But okay, maybe. Oh yeah, maybe lots of KDE stuff coming in updates, Eric. Let's wait for the updates and then Demon's Week. So I'm gonna stay rolling from 10 to 9 to 11. So October, I will see. Okay, font manager. Okay, fine, done. All right. So these things were already removed. So probably that was already in order. We've done that already. But better safe than sorry. A lot of versions. All these guys do not interest me. It's the last one I want. So probably I ran this one as well. But anyway, going for it. What is going on here? Yeah, that's normal. Let's see if the Xorg is in here somewhere. Otherwise, we'll have to do it manually. Was that the correct password? I think so. Okay, I thought I made a typo. So not really a lot have happened there, but sometimes happen that there is not much to do, that there's not much. Here you are. To run. Okay, text, welcome app. So the new apps come into place. The mirror lists for the spin-offs for Brad and Peter. ZSH package, breeze icons, Bamboodi. No, OpenBox. We don't want OpenBox stuff in Plasma. And this one is this remove or install? Good question. Is this install or remove? Must be saying it somewhere up there and I missed it. I'm gonna say yes. What's going to be yes? Yes is going to be installing Garçon, installing X4 screensaver R. Sudo pacman -R xfce for screensaver and Garçon. You're out of here. This is Plasma. Keep off. All right. OpenBox, as for OpenBox, didn't install that one. All the rest is fun and play. That's good. We need those. We need breeze. That's okay. We want breeze. So that's done. Then we have this one. Stay rolling. What's he going to do now? Dex, ArcoLinux, welcome app. That was already installed. So do nothing. And this one, the last one, is to stay rolling. And I think we have to do a manual thing here. Breeze a beautiful run. Let's read. This is for Breeze a beautiful cursor, but for Plasma it also brings a lot of dependencies. Answer yes if you want to, no if you want to keep it. Yes, I want to. No, I want to keep. So yes, I want to keep, and no, I'm answering it. I'm gonna say yes, but it's not installed. Okay, Vipata cursor is in there. And we're up to date. So this is our keep rolling thing. But what I'm suspecting now that the issue is still there, the Xorg thing, because it was never in our scripts. It's a fix, a one-time fix we have to do. So, update. So this is new, just recent. So yes, yes. Oh, the Xorg was in there somewhere. I didn't see it, but you can watch back the video. Xorg must have been there because, hey, it's solved, right? So 14%, how many gigabytes are we downloading in 4 months time? This is Arch for you. Where are you? The summary is after this bunch. There it is. What, 3.3 gigabyte? That's okay. With the terabytes I have, no issue. But it is, I understand, important. All these sizes. I am so not gonna keep this wallpaper. All right. In the meantime, I'm gonna do a scale later on, am I? Might be. So teaming will be later. Anything that's coming from us, from ArcoLinux, that might need something. Here they are. ArcoLinux. All these stuff. Yep, I see already a few that require a scale. So no need to go theming. First the updates. Now, I'm pretty sure I have to make a second video because of the fact that we installed lots of K stuff. And why am I calling it K stuff? K stuff, here's K stuff, but I think this is more alphabetically. So L stuff is library. Here's all the K stuff. K stands for KDE. So we get lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Still scrolling, still K. Until here, K Windows System, K Word, K Write. I guess it's gonna be around here, I think. That the K ends, right? This is Plasma. With all the dependencies we don't see. And a few more here. But basically, if you see a lot of K stuff, reboot. Because your system will not work. Dolphin will not work. The lots of messages you'll get. And here are the etc scale guys, right? So we need to do scale anyway. So let's wait for that to install. Pressing super spacebar, so I scroll up, and then pressing spacebar just brings me down again. Just one little space here, but that's easy if we want to look things up, and then back to the bottom space. In the meantime, I thought, hey, look, I have my Corsair keyboard coloring is on. So what's this? I forgot I had this package you can add and then change the coloring to trippy and to rainbow and all these colors. Dubois even. So I had my fun with coloring. CKB, restore. This icon theme I did not like, so I made my own icon theme, but we are 4 months in the future now. So since this Plasma, I really didn't like the icons down here, so I created my own. I guess that will not be installed, but I can't install anything since, whoa, we can game on this thing. What do you do? It was a Exonotic. We can game on this thing. It seemed to have installed Exonotic, but let's not stress the machine. Let him install. How is the stress? Control Shift Escape. Control Shift Escape. I used to swap on this one. So with my 16 gigabyte of RAM, I never put swap on, and you see 0.14 gigabytes, I mean, not needed at all. The process table, 7% for my simple screen recorder. ArcoLinux News, and that's our Firefox. So we fixed it anyway. So can I stress again that it's important for you guys to really follow and read things. If there are errors, well, that's what I do. If there are errors, then you go here, right? You go and have a look. Is there a solution? And yes, there is a solution. This is a solution, they say. And for the guys with HP, so Hewlett Packard, then you need to do this. If you don't have a Hewlett Packard, you don't have to do anything. Firewall D, if you don't have Firewall D, you don't have to do anything. And so on. Restarting after upgrading. We're already in February. rsync compatibility. We've moved away indeed from the package star XZ, and we are now in the package star ZST time period. And then the change with the base, we've done that too. And I guess that's it. Oh, more. There is more. 2016, 2015. Who cares, right? But the last things you need to know, maybe. All right. Yes. Do you want to see how Plasma is not going to work? Unable to create EOSLave K-Launcher, right? So they've changed references to a certain file. They've updated the system, but this is not updated, so you need to reboot. Hence, the video will be cut in two.